My God, Britney Spears.
It's Britney, bitch.
God damn. Oh, I bought another pile of shit. Oh, shucks. Alright, so when we're not racing, we go out and we try to find old cars and fix them back up. We like to find them just sitting around in the weeds, cheap as possible. And we have found one today. We got a black on brown leather 95 GT that is 100% stock, all the way down to the stock mufflers. A little old lady bought this thing new, and then she sold it to this fella. It had sat under a carport for many years. It's probably since like 2000 and something. But story is, the fuel pump went down on it. She parked it. So we're going to take this thing, throw a fuel pump in it, and see what we can get out of it. Before we do that, I'm going to wash it up, clean it, see how she looks. It's got some fade, some age, but overall, pretty nice old car. Hang on, Griff. Hold up, Griffy. Griffy, hold up. Griffy. Stop, Griff. No more. You just turn it so much deep to the right. You about to wipe her out, bud. All right, just inch it just a little bit. Off the fender. Come on. Come on. That's good. Cool. There we go. Now we'll strap it down.
I couldn't take it no more. The key had.
Look at you, Griff. Strong. What'd you do, Griffy? Poop. Lord,
better be careful stepping over there.
Oh God, Griff! God Almighty, dude!
I'm trying to give you a heads up.
I'm trying to shoot some footage.
Yeah, when you look back at that footage, you see his stupid face. You know what he should do.
I ain't taking y'all nowhere. You ain't even ate yet. We ain't even went to Mexican yet. Hell.
You just get worse.
Broken shades.
Broken shades.
Broken shades.
Let me see them things.
Ooh, these are not shades.
That's shades, dude.
Them are-
That's grand shades.
Well, here's your other lens. It ain't broken, but
Something just fell
Let me
out.
see what these look like here. That's me. Hey, we already getting their profits back.
your bag broke.
Oh, the bag broke. I think we can fix these and sell these at the flea market. The pine shop. I swear, y'all like them. We just need one more. We'll be well. I'm it. I'm the third stooge. Anyhow, we're gonna go through the glove box. Anytime you buy an old car, you gotta go through it. You gotta search it, see what we can find. You might get $1 million. You never know. Hey, open the trunk too.
In the trunk.
You open that glove box right there? No, not that one. The glove box.
Oh.
See that yellow button?
Well, we got
Boom.
no activity.
Hey, everything works on this thing so far too.
Well, we got
The windows. Well, the key ain't on. Let's see what's in here. A lot of rat shit, for one.
Umbrella?
That's never. Oh God, it smells worse than you, Green.
That's a bit for me.
I'm kidding. Worse than it farted a minute ago.
Well, there was no fun activities in the glove box.
The center box was full of stuff. There was a CD.
There's some stuff in the other door too.
If this thing was had mufflers on it, I guarantee it'd be a Creed CD or something. Hey, football. So what we got? What we got?
What?
Is it Wu-Tang Clan?
What'd they get paid?
What? Oh my God! Britney Spears. Britney's back. Oh baby, baby. Songs we got. Oops, I did it
Some for
again.
$82.
Oops, I bought a piece of shit again. Griffy, don't step on my shades. They're in good shape. Hey, somebody went to Lehigh. What is that, 2003? Damn, that's...
Well,
was you alive?
me no.
Oh my God. What's you, Griff?
I was
No?
born in 2007.
Holy shit. I'm 10 years older than you all.
Oh.
Hey, B, just wanted to say hi and let you know that I was thinking about... Hope to see you later. They forgot to think about you, but holla when you get off. Yeah, this thing definitely came from 2003. Lip balm. You want some of that? Here you go, Griff. That's all you, bud. You earned that today. Wasn't it 2006? This thing's definitely been sitting since, definitely since mid 2000s.
I feel like I shouldn't have.
I might be in that newspaper.
You'll be in that newspaper?
I might be. I was born April 7th, 2007.
I think
Well, that was October, wasn't it?
Yeah, I still might be in it.
Why the hell would you be in the newspaper in
Halloween.
2006? Halloween?
Yeah.
See if Griffey's in the news. There you are, Griff, right there.
That's me.
That's you. So we're at the car wash in the rain. We're gonna spray this thing off, but before we do that, we're gonna try to get it started with some starting fluid. Since the fuel pump's out, it ought to just fire off starting fluid. So, you got it neutral? All right, now hold the throttle down, but don't, after I tell you to let off of it, let off of it, all right? Hold it all the way down. All right, now let off of it. Turn it over. Try to start. Press the clutch in. Oh, it might help if we put a battery on it. Check the oil on it before we do any more. Ain't a drop of oil in this thing. There ain't shit in it at all. Well, he might have bought a bad one. Hey, look at that. There's a little drop on it. Let's get a jug of oil, stick in it. To the rescue. Just one jug.
What did I fucking do?
It's like really, really low.
It was his fault.
His fault?
He told me to get warm.
I did not. He said, oh, we only have the money for one. Then when we got up there, he said, oh, we can buy two.
He did say that. He bought it.
You did too, you lying sack of shit.
I gave y'all enough for two, but it's alright. That'll help. Better than nothing. Oil in the cap.
Oh, God.
Turn it sideways, Griff. Oh God, Griffey.
Yep, you got it.
You got this. You gotta learn. Here, I'll show you how to do it in 1 second. Use some training wheels, Griff.
Oh, yeah.
Get the water out of it. Alright, now.
There's no possible way you could spill it.
Oil.
First time for Griffey to put it in.
Well, ain't no wonder you's gonna spill it. You poured it way too fast, but that's alright. Well, I mean, you got a big funnel.
Yeah, you somehow still almost spilled it.
Yep, look here. You got it on your damn thumb.
Yeah, that's because my thumb's...
Oh, God. Well, that ain't gonna work. God, I love junk. Not really. Alright, let off it. You in neutral, right? Go ahead. Yeah. Well, something in the pulley system locked up. Oh boy. It's already breaking down. Hit it again, Matt. See if it'll break loose. Go ahead. Does it show an oil pressure on the gauge? So this one is oil pressure. Watch that.
Okay.
And make sure. Fire it up. That streaking's where them pulleys ain't turning. They're froze up. We'll have to WD them and stuff. All right, let's watch this thing. Grab you a handful of that and just chuck it at it. Oh no. What did you learn? Not to listen to me. So this thing won't hardly move. So we're gonna ether it off. Hopefully we can't push it, the three of us. Them brakes is kind of stuck. It may not even go nowhere. Oh God, my arm's stuck. Spray it. What the hell is all that smoke? Is that the belt?
I don't know, but something.
It's about to get out of here. God damn. My tires look good.
Flat, but they're good.
I mean, I'm coming off the damn trailer, boy. All we need's Matt just to spray us down the highway. We're good to go.
I was just sticking with you the whole time.
Let's do a starting fluid burnout.
Do I just hold it down the whole time?
Yeah.
I was just following you with it.
Well, oh hell, we ain't got. Hey! There's rubber on the ground. Look at that. That's a burnout. That is a successful burnout. Oh, I bought another pile of shit. Oh shucks. All right, so we already got this thing sold right here. You ready for this? Sir, let me sell you this. Hey, hide this. Let me sell you this really nice, really clean Mustang. Low mileage, one owner besides a bunch of other people, and I can put you in it today. You gotta just hop in it and go. I promise. We'll be leaving right after you buy it though. $2,000 right now. So we've got the gas tank out of this thing, and the gas smells really bad. As I say, it's full of rust. So we're gonna pour a little out for the homies and see what we work it with. I say we're gonna need a new tank probably. Oh yeah, I can hear rust in it. Ooh. Yeah, that's bad. That's real bad. Let's see if it burns. Nope. 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 Okay. It won't even burn. So we found us another tank out of a running driving car. The gas in this tank was good. I'm under here with a nest of waspers right now, I believe. Oh, yep, they're up in the frame. I'm gonna ease out of here. Oh, God! Dog, what a damn spider up in here. He's in there somewhere. Oh, yeah, there he is. I'm gonna die. Check this out. Just about had to burn this thing to the ground, but we ended up doing new fuel filter, new pump pickup. Had to fix some rusty lines. We threw the tank in, and then up front, we put a new belt to bypass the smog pump because it was locking up. Put new fluids in the engine, threw some wheels and tires on this thing, and gave it a go. Race car, to be honest. This is a race car. Watch this. It's got built-in two-step. Hang on. Here comes the big cam. It does sound cam though.
It does.
Huh. There she goes, boys. There goes Brittany.
It's still running somehow.
I miss her already.
You know why it's still running? Because you all worked on it.
Power of friendship.
Yeah.
We made a few $100.
Brittany's gone.
Yeah. You just had to name it right before I sold it. That would have been a great build, Brittany.
So this Mustang went off to its new owner. He's already put some wheels on it. Seems like it's doing good for him. We started to keep the thing. They named it Brittany, and we thought about putting a turbo kit and heads and cam stuff on it. But we was able to bring a car back to life, make a few $100 for future projects, and bring you guys some content. So that was a win. Until next time, we got some more stuff we're going to show you all that we're working on, wrenching on, racing. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.